Okay, just real quick, we're going to go through how to fix and or take apart a Blue Yeti microphone. As you see here, it's actually perfect working order. I am going to have to take a grinder and nip off this little bottom part here so my new cord can fit in. But all we do, we've got the 1, 2, 3 screws that you probably know about. Pop them out, and very simply, with a small flathead, pry gently all the knobs out. They just come right out, real easy. And then you can remove the guts from this cylinder. You got full access, nice and clean, and that's it. So here's our cylinder. We've got it in the vise here, and we're just gonna nip off this little part with the angle grinder here, and we'll see how that works. Alright, so that came off like butter. Smoothed it out nice. And we're nice and buttoned up back here. Boom. Let there be light, baby. Mic check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. That's a wrap, folks. We back.